guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Y-3 QASA highs. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you, let's go. So today we've got a look at Y-3's most iconic sneaker, the QASA High. And we got this in the UK size 8, it's a European 8.5. Oh, European 42, sorry. And it's a US 8.5. And we got this in the black colorway. And yeah, as I mentioned just before we delve in, this is probably Y-3's most iconic sneaker. I've seen it around. When I think of avant-garde style, when I think of a traditional, not really traditional, but when I think of that avant-garde tech wear Japanese style, I would either look at something designed by under that yohjiyamamoto house of Y-3. These sneakers are going to be synonymous with that look. So we got the Y-3 box. Y-3, this is obviously partnered with ADIDAS. Let's go. So you got your dust bag, spare laces as well. So you got these flat black laces. Just before we show you as well. And here they are. Honestly, guys, if you know, you know. Honestly, these are probably one of the most iconic high-end sneakers that you can get on the market right now, because they're still selling. And this is, to me, I always think of Y-3 when I see QASA highs. So we'll start with the outsole, and this outsole is a tubular EVA outsole. So it's all foam and it incorporates the ADIDAS tubular design. So you can see it around here. Well, it looks like it's a tube that goes all around and it makes the outsole. You got the Y-3 logo that's right there in this rubber black. And the midsole unit, again, the midsole unit is the same as the outsole, is that tubular EVA all around. And what's great is you got the Y-3 logo on the medial side. Moving along onto the upper, so this upper is made up of a blend of materials, and the way that it's uniquely wrapped, the way that it's designed, you can see that Y-3 look. It screams yohjiyamamoto. And so, as I mentioned, if you look at the heel clip at the back here, just at the back, it's made out of this leather, very nice and supple. Then you got the elastic right there, elastic straps. That is just makes the sneaker iconic, and it gives it that avant-garde. So if you were to design an avant-garde high top sneaker, this just comes to your mind. You can see it all in the materials, the way that it's placed. It's very uniquely designed. At the toe box area, you've got the leathers as well. That's very supple, beautiful as well. The whole sneaker essentially is textile upper. So you got this mesh around. Obviously, you got the elastic straps there, and you got the pieces of leather. But the main body of the sneaker is textiles, and it's essentially a sock liner. It's a booty system. You can easily get your feet in. The lacing system incorporates the flat laces, so those ones in the little Y-3 packaging, that was just the spare laces, and you got flat lacing here. And the way that it's laced up as well is kind of mimics the elastic design. At the back on the heel, big elastic unit here, but just on top of that you got the Y-3 logo right there. The inner, let's get that inside. So you got like a lot of Y-3. You got this white insole. This is synthetic materials as well. It's a foam with a Y-3 logo that's inside. It's embossed. And that rounds off my review of the Y-3 QASA High. We have done the QASA slip-ons, and those were inspired by the QASA Highs. Again, guys, I can't tell you enough how iconic these sneakers are. These were designed by Yohjiyamamoto himself, one of the greatest Japanese designers of all time. His house Y-3 has ushered that avant-garde street theme. You can see it, a lot of people use it. They'll be wearing like kimonos, baggy pants. They'll be wearing these as well. Unfortunately, I'm not wearing a kimono and I'm not wearing those baggy trousers. I wish I was, because that look is just one I would go for personally. I'm very inspired by Japanese design and Japanese fashion. These are a grail of mine personally. I can't believe I got a pair of Yohjiyamamoto's finest sneakers. If you're able to get a pair, check it out. They were still at the ADIDAS website at the time of recording this. And you know, if you got a spare £300, fork them out. I can't wait to show you what these look like on. So roll that footage of me trying these QASA highs on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend probably get a half size down to what you usually get, maybe a size below. I'm not sure if there was a 7.5. I didn't see one when I was on the ADIDAS website. I feel like there's a bit of space. You can see where my toes are. There's a tiny bit of space, and there's a little bit of giveaway. But where it is around the ankle, it feels like it's hugging my feet. That it feels like it's Air Hirachi, even though it's not. Very comfy, guys. Looks pretty clean, if you guys agree with me. It does fit, and that's what's important. Probably if I can get a half size down, I would, if I'm able to find one. But all those things said, these are one of the most cleanest sneakers that we've ever reviewed on the channel. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.